Hello everyone and welcome. Today I wanted to take a few minutes to show you guys some of the cool things that Acumatica is working on around push notifications as well as REST and power of using REST APIs along with them. So in our example, I have a simple Android device. It could be an iOS device as well that I have Acumatica Player installed on. The player doesn't even have to be running, and we're going to be talking a little bit about notifications. So notice there's no notifications currently on this Android device. And what happens is when you first time you run Acumatica Player on your device and it connects to the Acumatica cloud, the system will register your device with Acumatica. So Acumatica will know the device ID of all the devices that you're working with. So there'll be a list of devices within Acumatica. In this example, if you look at Acumatica, and if I go to I'm logged in as administrator and I go to my profile. This is my last known device ID that I happen to be using, and there's an area that you can see all your devices and so on. So let's assume I've got this device set up, and what happens is the Acumatica devices are registered with Google. So we use Google's global messaging service. So this is the Android Acumatica Player. So the system knows about the player, right? And then I'm going to use this example to show you the power of REST and push notifications on using my device as a scanner. So imagine I wanted to create an item and take a picture of the item and attach it to this product. So I'm going to go ahead and create an item, my sample. I'll call it I. Oops, let me do that again, sorry. My sample item for notifications, and I'm going to go ahead and pick a class. Okay, great, and I'm going to save it. Okay, so I've added this item called capture image, and what that's going to do is it's going to send a REST API call to the Google Cloud Service and send a message to my device because it knows I'm the administrator and what devices I'm using. So as soon as I press it, it's going to send my capture request sent to my mobile device. So I'll click OK. And now if I go to my mobile device, notice that a notification has popped up over here. So if I see what that's about, here's the image capture request for my sample item that I created. So I go here and sees, okay, here's my item. Go ahead and capture the image. So I'll push capture. And let's take a picture. All right, we got one. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a name, my sample image. And click Save. So as soon as I do that, it's successful and it's saved the image. Now I go back here and simply refresh and notice that files have changed to 1, and here's my image in Acumatica. I hope you like this example. Imagine you could do this with your accounts payable bills and other types of documents within Acumatica. Thank you.